A diabetic friend of mine thought she was making healthy snack choices until she discovered that one common nut was wreaking havoc on her blood sugar. Here's what she learned and what you need to avoid. Research shows that eliminating just one of these nuts from your diet can lead to a 20% improvement in blood sugar control. Stick around to find out which one. In 7th place, we have cashews. Delicious, creamy, and often found in trail mixes. But for diabetics, these nuts might be more harmful than they appear. Cashews contain a higher carbohydrate content compared to other nuts, which can lead to unwanted blood sugar spikes if consumed in excess. Cashews are rich in starch, which acts like a quick-release fuel for the body. Unfortunately, this fuel can overload your system, leading to an unstable blood sugar response. A study published in the Journal of Nutrition and Metabolism found that consuming high-carb nuts like cashews can increase postprandial glucose levels, potentially complicating blood sugar management in diabetics. The starch in cashews works like sugar in disguise, giving a quick energy boost but leaving your body struggling to maintain balance. Limit your intake to small amounts and always pair cashews with high-fiber foods to slow their impact on blood sugar. By managing your cashew intake, you're taking one more step toward maintaining steady energy levels and better blood sugar control. Coming in at number 6, macadamia nuts might seem harmless, but they pack hidden downsides that could derail your health goals. These nuts are extremely calorie-dense and low in fiber, making it easy to overeat and add unnecessary calories without feeling full. Macadamias are high in monounsaturated fats, which, while healthy in moderation, contribute to excess caloric intake if not carefully portioned. Research from the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition highlights that calorie-dense foods like macadamias can significantly contribute to weight gain, exacerbating insulin resistance in diabetics. The fats in macadamias act as slow-burning energy, but eating too much of them can be like overfilling your gas tank. It spills over into unhealthy weight gain. Stick to pre-portioned servings and use macadamias sparingly as a topping for salads or oatmeal to control calorie intake. Enjoying macadamias in moderation lets you savor their flavor without compromising your health goals. In 5th place, let's talk about peanuts, a snack time favorite that might not be as innocent as it seems for diabetics. Peanuts often come with added salt, sugar, or oil, and their high omega-6 content can contribute to inflammation, a known aggravator of diabetic complications. Peanuts have a skewed omega-6 to omega-3 ratio. This imbalance can promote inflammation in the body, which is especially risky for those managing diabetes. A study from Harvard Medical School links high omega-6 consumption to increased markers of chronic inflammation, which can worsen insulin resistance. Think of omega-6 as a fire starter for inflammation. It's useful in small amounts, but dangerous when it gets out of control. Opt for raw, unsalted peanuts and balance them with omega-3 rich foods like flax seeds or walnuts to neutralize their effects. Making smarter choices with peanuts can help you stay on track and keep inflammation at bay. In 4th place, roasted and salted almonds may sound healthy, but they come with a hidden danger you should be aware of. While almonds are naturally nutritious, the roasted and salted varieties are loaded with sodium, which can elevate blood pressure, a major concern for diabetics. The added sodium in roasted almonds disrupts the body's fluid balance, putting extra strain on the cardiovascular system and worsening hypertension. Research from the Journal of Hypertension showed that high-sodium diets are directly linked to increased blood pressure, particularly in individuals with pre-existing conditions like diabetes. Excess sodium acts like a sponge, making your body retain more water and putting pressure on your heart and arteries. Choose raw, unsalted almonds instead, and use spices like cinnamon or paprika for added flavor without the salt. Switching to raw almonds can make a big difference, helping you protect your heart and manage your diabetes more effectively. In third place, pistachios. Those small green powerhouses of flavor might not be as innocent as they seem for diabetics. Pistachios are often consumed in large quantities due to their addictive taste, which can lead to excessive caloric intake and blood sugar disruptions. Pistachios are high in natural sugars and carbohydrates, which can quickly add up if portion sizes aren't controlled, potentially spiking blood sugar levels. A study published in the Journal of Nutritional Biochemistry revealed that high carbohydrate snacks like pistachios can cause postprandial glucose increases in individuals with insulin sensitivity issues. The carbs in pistachios act like a quick energy burst, but when eaten too much, they overload your system, leaving your blood sugar unsteady. Limit pistachios to one handful, around 30 grams per serving, and pair them with protein-rich foods like cheese or Greek yogurt to stabilize blood sugar. By enjoying pistachios in moderation, you can still savor their taste without compromising your blood sugar levels. Second on our list, mixed nut blends may seem like a convenient and healthy snack, but they often hide harmful ingredients. Many pre-packaged nut blends are coated with sugary glazes, oils, or preservatives, turning a seemingly nutritious snack into a danger for diabetics. These coatings increase the glycemic index of the nuts, leading to faster digestion and absorption of sugars, which can spike blood glucose levels. Research from the American Diabetes Association showed that processed nuts with added sugars and oils significantly worsen glycemic control compared to raw varieties. Think of these coatings as sugar traps. They make your blood sugar climb quickly, undoing the natural benefits of the nuts. Choose raw or lightly roasted nut blends without added sugars or oils and portion them into single-serving bags for easy, controlled snacking. Switching to raw nut blends helps you enjoy the convenience of a snack while protecting your health and managing your diabetes effectively. Finally, in first place, we have candied or honey-coated nuts, the ultimate hidden danger for anyone managing diabetes. These sweetened nuts are loaded with added sugars, completely negating the natural health benefits of nuts and wreaking havoc on blood sugar levels. The added sugars and syrups are absorbed rapidly into the bloodstream, causing a sharp rise in blood glucose levels, which can be difficult to regulate. A study published in the Diabetes Care Journal confirmed that foods with high added sugars significantly disrupt glycemic control and increase HbA1c levels in diabetic patients. The sugar coatings act like a sweet disguise, quickly pushing your blood sugar out of balance and adding unnecessary strain on your system. Replace candied nuts with raw or dry roasted nuts and add a sprinkle of cinnamon or a touch of dark chocolate for flavor without the sugar overload. Making this switch is not just about cutting sugar. It's about empowering yourself to take charge of your health and enjoy long-term benefits.